Toyota Kirloskar Motors (TKM) has announced a price hike of its entire car lineup sold in the Indian market. The company will be increasing the prices of its cars starting from the 1st of April 2021. This will be the second price hike issued by the company this year. The first price hike was issued by the brand at the start of this year in January. The company is yet to announce the exact percentage of the price increase for each model. However, the price increase will differ for each model, variant and market region across the country. Automakers are being forced to increase the price of their products due to the rising input costs of manufacturing. This includes the constantly increasing cost of steel, aluminum and plastics. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic is still very much present in India, which could also pose some challenges to brands in the production of vehicles. Some of the most popular cars in India are manufactured by Toyota. This includes the evergreen Toyota Innova Crista and the brawny premium SUV, the Toyota Fortuner. Apart from this, the company is also offering a couple of sedan models, starting with the Yaris and the brand's premium sedan offering, the Camry. Toyota has entered into a joint venture with Maruti Suzuki, which enables both brands to share technologies and platforms. As a result of the JV, Toyota is now selling two of the Maruti Suzuki's offering, the Baleno and the Vitara Brezza, with a rebadge and slight changes. Both models under Toyota's staple are called the Glanza and the Urban Cruiser respectively. The Urban Cruiser now becomes the brand's first compact SUV offering in the country. It is also Toyota's entry-level SUV offering as well. Apart from locally manufactured cars, the company is also offering luxurious and feature-packed Velfire MPV. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.